Here I'm sitting in my chair, not half watching the ball game, but watching this tree sway back and forth and up and down and leaves pushed everywhere. Hear it? Of course I didn't get it well as bending sideways, but it was a nice day today, but it was really windy. And that one over there is blowing around. It's going around in a circle. Yeah, I'll stand out here for a little while. I don't shiver yet. I think the sun's lower than that because that's just an opening. I bet the sun's over there. It's 6:30, 7:30, 8. Yeah, might be a little lower, but it was a nice day. That's the kind of clouds we had. You want to do it again? That's the kind of clouds we had today. They were not black clouds, but they were dark, and with spots of sun that came through. Come on, blow. You birds, get out of there. Get away from those trees. Alright, I guess I didn't catch it. What do we got back here? Anything? Nothing. Nothing. It's all right here in the front. Ooh, it's blowing again. Now, as soon as I go inside and sit in my chair, it's going to blow like you wouldn't believe. And those trees are going to go sideways, but I'm going to miss it. Well, too bad.